When I opened the box of MX3 and it said, the best decision of your life, wala nang doubt, wala nang question. I get to be part of a product that is not only excellent, but also has a role in the good news, the Great Commission. Kia ora, I'm Stephanie Adanza, 48 years old, and I'm working as a Member of Parliament Support Advisor here in Wellington, New Zealand. And I'm here to share my MX3 story.
Hi, TP.
Hello po.
Nice to meet you. We were all inspired by your story, actually. And gusto lang naming malaman, what made you decide to settle here in New Zealand?
It's really my daughter. When I had a daughter, my perspective changed. And because my daughter is a miracle, sabi ko, Lord, hiningi ko sa'yo to, iniyak ko gabi-gabi. So, gusto ko sa isang lugar na maalagaan ko ang anak ko. As in, nandun ako every milestone. She will grow up in a safe environment, in a healthy environment. So, nag-research ako. The Lord led me to New Zealand.
So, it's really a plan.
Plan ni Lord.
Alam ko, grabe yung trabaho mo sa Pilipinas.
Opo.
It's fast-paced. Dito biglang nag-calm down ka. So, how was it? Paano yung naging buhay mo rito? From Manila to New Zealand?
Bago po ako pumunta dito, hindi ako marunong magluto ng adobo. Nasa stress ako pag nagluluto.
Yeah.
Sabi ko sa asawa ko, ikaw magluto, ako maghugas ng pinggan. Pero pagdating dito, lahat. Luto, laba, linis, lahat po. Tapos magtatrabaho ka, pagpunta ko dito, nag-aaral pa ako. Sabi ko nga, ay, nag-masters ako, pero ang mas natutunan ko yung maging domesticated. Na-realize ko na, ang sarap po pala pagka ikaw yung in control sa anong pinapakain mo sa anak mo, sa asawa mo, sa sarili mo. Ngayon, alam ko na, isang tingin sa pantry, alam ko na kung anong lulutuin ko, o anong gagawin sa leftovers, yung mga ganon. Plus, yung simpleng buhay na
Meron dito.
meron po yung work-life balance, yung spending time with the family, more time for church, more time for God.
And bakit ka naman pumayag na ma-interview namin today? Curious ako doon.
When I opened the box of MX3 and it said, the best decision of your life, wala nang doubt, wala nang question. I get to be part of a product that is not only excellent,
Yes.
but also has a role in the good news, the Great Commission.
Yes. That's our purpose.
Yes, when I told my church friends about it, they were like, wow! We can't believe it. Sabi nila, may mga ibang negosyante na that's a risk for them, na they put God in the product. But wow, this one, it's pulling in people for God.
Yes.
Kasi sabi nga sa Bible, once na binato mo na yung seed na yan, darating ang araw, mas maririp yan. Walang binato na word ni God na hindi magfu-fruit.
Yes. Amen to
Yes.
that. Yung hard work mo talaga, it pays off. And look at that, nasa parliament ka pala nagtatrabaho. Andito kami ngayon sa may beehive.
I work for a member of parliament, or dito tinatawag na MP, member of
Yes.
parliament. I'm full-time MP support advisor. So, mostly I liaise for the MP. So, yung mga emails, correspondences na natatanggap niya from constituents. Ako ang first line. And then, I help in making policy. I help in connecting constituents with government agencies, doing research. And New Zealand is very diverse, di ba? Maraming immigrants, so we cater to all nationalities.
So given all those, yung trabaho mo, yung pagiging wife mo, pagiging nanay mo, how do you cope up with that? Does MX3 in any way help you
Oh, yes.
in terms of your health concerns?
Yes po. I'm very happy that a friend recommended MX3 to me. Pagdating dito, nagulat po ako na all natural. Sa atin sa Pilipinas, konting lagnat, gamot. Konting lagnat, doktor. Dito, pag may nararamdaman ka, all natural. So, I'm happy na yung MX3, all natural din. And then also, when I drive, it's 2 hours drive na dire-diretso. Nakakatulong, syempre, medyo may edad na tayo, anti-inflammatory, pati sa lamig, pag mararamdaman mo na, oh no, pero nakakatulong po. And syempre, because I have a condition, my hemoglobin is naturally low, hindi kayang umabot sa normal levels ng aking red blood cells. MX3 helps me also yung hindi ako hingalin, hindi ako pagurin. MX3 helped me, to give that extra boost of energy para magawa lahat.
So, is there any Bible verse that resonates your life right now? And ano yung reflection na may ibibigay mo on that?
The first thing I can think of is Joshua 1:9. That verse, I remember before leaving the Philippines, I was afraid. I was afraid that anong mangyayari sa buhay ko sa New Zealand.
Yes.
Ang ganda ng buhay ko sa Pilipinas eh. That verse gave me confidence that wherever I go, God is there. And also, parang nung nandito na ako and when there are times na I feel like, baka hindi ako dito, baka hindi ako maging successful dito. Hindi rin ako takot na umuwi ng Pilipinas.
Yeah.
Because I remember that verse, Joshua 1:9, na kahit hindi ako maging successful dito at bumalik ako sa Pilipinas, God will still be there with me. And God has a plan with me. As long as He is there wherever I go, walang problema.
Because your heart is already settled with the Lord. That's why.
Yes.
That's
yes.
why you are confident, whatever you do. And God is telling you right now, TP, you just delighted me. That's why I'm answering the desires of your heart. And that's in Psalm 37:4. Yeah.
Yes.
So thank you very much, TP. I
Thank you,
enjoyed
Tita
talking to
Lorna.
you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
MX3, ang global supplement para sa global Pinoy.